Welcome. In front of me is a SwitchBot Hub 2, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So, this is the your all-in-one smart home hub, and the all-in-one doesn't really have too much information for all-in-one, I would say, when it comes down to home smart appliances. Now, if I can pull that damn sticker off. Jeez, that is like really on there, holy crap. Okay, so popping it out, we have there we go. So that's everything that is in the box. Now here we have our cable, which looks to have a temperature sensor. At least, yep, that's the temperature sensor that is part of the actual charging cable, which, to be honest, not the best implementation, because if you need to, I don't know, maybe change the cable, or you want one, you know, that just blends a little bit better or whatever, yeah, you kind of shit out a lot. You need to use this one. Now we also have the most likely 5 watts, 2 amps, 10 watts. Okay, so 10 watt charging cable or charging brick. Let's see, do I need to use this one, or can I just plug it into a normal USB port? Let's see. Oop. And it looks like it doesn't matter because I can just plug it into a USB port. Or not. Never mind. So let's try to plug it into this. And just unravel the cable. There we go. Ah, there we go. Now we have something on the screen. So, let's see what else we got. We got some useless stuff. We have sticky pads. We have the instruction manual and limited warranty and user manual. And that's everything that we get in the box. Now here, it's not really showing the temperature right now. So that's a bit odd. Maybe it just needs a little bit of time to warm up. But there we go. So now you can see it. Now on the camera it doesn't look that great, but this is a pretty nice looking display, if you can call that. It only shows right now the humidity, the temperature, and on and off. But in person it looks a little bit nicer. It's gonna blend it into the white background right here. It will look pretty good in like dark environment. The actual display is pretty clean. You can see that when I block it a little bit more, you can make out the font and the sharpness of it a bit more than when it's kind of blending with everything white here. So yeah, it's pretty decent. Obviously this has some additional implementation, as it allows you to launch scenes with it. So if you have it set up to do some kind of scenes, you can do that. It also has a smart IR remote. So there is apparently an IR blaster somewhere in here by the sound of this. Built-in meter, as in thermometer, smart home hub, scene launching button. So presume it's one of these. And it works with Alexa, works with Google Home, works with Siri, works with IFTTT. I actually don't know what that is. Also works with Samsung SmartThings and the Matter ecosystem. So it has a pretty good support with, for the most part, everything that you'd probably need. So obviously that's really good. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.